What if the secret to waking up the repair crew in your body was not found in a pharmacy, but was hidden in a special mix of ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now? Today, we are not just talking about a drink, we are talking about flipping the biological switch that time turned off. You might be thinking, that sounds good, but my body feels too old, or I have tried everything, and my weight will not change. I hear you. People often tell us that getting older means getting weaker, and we just have to accept it. We are told that our stem cells, which are the builders of our body, retire when we turn 60. But what if that is wrong? What if those cells are not retired, but just sleeping, waiting for a specific chemical wake-up call? The plan we are talking about today is not about starving yourself or running marathons. It is about using a specific time in your morning and a special mix of ingredients to start a process called autophagy, which is literally cellular housekeeping. In the next few minutes, we will explain exactly how to do this. We are not just going to give you a recipe, we are going to hand you the manual for your own cellular reset. We have 5 specific levels of this plan to cover. From the basic purity step that most people ignore to the liquid gold structure all the way to our game-changing revelation number 1, which is the specific timing trick that makes this 10 times more effective than just taking a pill. You need to stay until the very end because if you get the ingredients right but the timing wrong, you might accidentally block the benefit you are trying to get. This is the difference between simply drinking tea and starting a metabolic reset. Before we start, if you are ready to get your energy back, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Join our group of active seniors who refuse to let age limit them. And, of course, a quick but important reminder. I am a researcher and strategist, not your personal doctor. All the information shared today is for education. Everyone has unique health, so please ask your healthcare provider before making big changes to your diet or health routine, especially if you have conditions or take medicine. Let's use this knowledge to have smart talks with them. Let's begin our journey to cellular renewal. We are going to build this plan layer by layer, starting with the base and moving up to the most powerful metabolic starters. Our first tip looks simple, but it is the step where 90% of people fail before they even start. We call this insight number 5, the foundation of purity. You can have the strongest medicine in the world, but if you mix it in dirty water, you ruin the cure. Many of us wake up and grab tap water or coffee right away. But for the aging body, especially after 60, the cells are often dehydrated, meaning they are chemically dry. To really understand how this works, let's use an example. Imagine your body is like a dry sponge sitting on the kitchen counter. If you pour a thick, heavy soup onto that dry, hard sponge, what happens? It does not soak in. It just sits on top or spills over. You need to wet the sponge with clean, clear water first to make it soft and able to absorb. Your cells work the same way. If they are dry and filled with the waste from yesterday, they cannot take in the nutrients we are about to give them. Therefore, the base of this drink is not just liquid. It must be 12 to 16 ounces of high-quality, warm or room temperature water. Why warm? Because ice cold water shocks the stomach and tightens blood vessels, which is exactly what we do not want when we are trying to open up paths for absorption. We want to gently wake the gut, not scare it. So, this 5th insight is critical. Use reverse osmosis or filtered spring water. We want to avoid the chlorine and fluoride often found in city taps, which can irritate the gut lining. We are setting the stage for deep absorption. Now that we have our base, we need to talk about what cannot be in your system if you want this to work. This brings us to strategy number 4, eliminating the metabolic blockers. The problem here is that many of us consume things without knowing they stop stem cell activity and autophagy. We think we are eating healthy, but we are eating hidden things that cause inflammation. Think of your metabolism like a carefully built fireplace. You want to burn clean, dry logs to get a hot, steady fire. But eating seed oils like canola, corn, soybean, or sunflower oil is like throwing wet leaves and plastic onto that fire. It creates smoke, which is inflammation, and smothers the flame, which is your metabolism. These unstable fats can get into your cell walls, making them sticky and resistant to the signals we are trying to send. Consequently, for this 7-day plan to work, and honestly for your long life, you must strictly avoid these industrial seed oils. They are often hidden in salad dressings and heart-healthy spreads. Instead, we want to fuel the fire with stable, old-fashioned fats, which we will get to in a moment. Also, in this blocker category, we must include artificial sweeteners and sugary drinks. Even if a sweetener has 0 calories, the sweet taste alone can cause an insulin response in the brain. Insulin is the enemy of autophagy. If insulin is high, cellular cleaning is turned off. It is a biological seesaw. They cannot both be up at the same time. So, strategy number 4 is about clearing the path. No bad oils, no fake sugars. With the path cleared and the water ready, we now add the active ingredients. This is key number 3, the spices of renewal. We are going to add 3 specific powerhouses to our warm water: turmeric, cinnamon, and quercetin, which is often found in powders or extracts. Why this specific trio? A major hurdle for many seniors is chronic, low-level inflammation, the silent killer that rusts our joints and arteries. Traditional medicine treats this with painkillers, which hide the signal. But we want to turn down the volume of the noise itself. Let's look at the example of a construction site. If the site is noisy, messy, and full of trash, the architects, your stem cells, cannot focus on building new structures. Turmeric, specifically its active part curcumin, acts like the site boss who quiets the noise and organizes the crew. It is a strong anti-inflammatory. However, turmeric is hard to absorb, so we always add a pinch of black pepper or, in our case, the healthy fats coming up in the next step to help it slip into the blood. Then we have cinnamon, about 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon is not just for flavor, it is a metabolic master. It acts like insulin, helping to move sugar out of your blood and into your cells without needing a huge insulin spike. It steadies your energy. And finally, quercetin, about half a teaspoon. This is a nutrient found in onions and apples, but in extract form it acts as a senolytic. This means it helps hunt down zombie cells, old, damaged cells that refuse to die and just sit there causing inflammation. Quercetin tells these zombie cells it is time to pack up and leave. So, key number 3 is about creating a chemical environment where inflammation is low and sugar is stable, allowing repair to happen. We are getting closer to the strongest part of the formula. This is crucial secret number 2, and it involves 2 ingredients that provide the raw materials for your new body: high-quality extra virgin olive oil and collagen peptides. Here is the truth: you can trigger all the repair signals you want, but if you do not have the bricks and mortar, you cannot build a new house. As we get older, our collagen production drops. That is why skin sags and joints creak. Furthermore, our cell membranes, the outer shells of our cells, need high-quality fat to stay soft and responsive. You are going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, but listen closely, it must be high quality. Much of the olive oil in stores is mixed with cheaper oils or has gone bad. You want the real stuff, peppery, green, and rich in polyphenols. Think of this olive oil like the best motor oil for a classic car. It greases the gears and protects the engine parts from grinding against each other. The polyphenols in fresh olive oil activate genes connected to long life. It is the fuel that encourages your cells to switch into fat-burning mode rather than sugar-burning mode. Paired with this, we add 1 tablespoon of collagen peptides. This is the mortar. It provides the specific amino acids your body needs to rebuild the tissue in your gut lining, your skin, and your joints. Now, a quick note on safety for this step. Adding a tablespoon of oil to a drink might sound heavy if you have gallbladder issues or a very sensitive stomach. If that is you, start with a teaspoon and work your way up slowly. Listen to your body. We want this to be food, not a shock. By combining the oil and the collagen, you are creating a liposomal effect where the fat helps carry the nutrients and the turmeric from key number 3 deep into the cells. This combination is what starts to shrink the waistline. The body finally has the safety signal of good fat to let go of the stored emergency fat, the belly fat. We have reached the top. We have the water, the clean environment, the spices, and the structural fats. But none of this matters without the ultimate revelation number 1. This is the secret sauce. It is not just what you drink, but when and how you use it to flip the autophagy switch. The big mistake most people make is drinking healthy smoothies or juices with their breakfast. They mix it with toast, eggs, or oatmeal. This is where the process breaks down. As soon as you add a big load of carbs or proteins that trigger insulin, the process of autophagy stops immediately. Here is the revelation. You must drink this mix first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and then this is the hard part. You must wait at least 30 to 45 minutes before having any other food or coffee. Why? Let's go back to our cleaning analogy. Autophagy is like a cleaning crew going through your body, eating up the cellular junk, the broken proteins, and the old energy parts. This cleaning process only happens when insulin is low and the body feels a mild fasted state. The olive oil in this drink does not spike insulin. It mimics a fasting state while still giving energy. It is what scientists call a caloric restriction mimetic. It tricks the body into thinking it is still fasting, which keeps the repair crew working, but it gives you the energy to function. If you drink this and immediately eat a bagel, you send the repair crew home. But if you drink this and wait that golden 45 minutes, perhaps go for a light walk, do some stretching, you are extending the overnight repair cycle. You are allowing the stem cells to finish their shift. This is the synergistic switch. The combination of the polyphenols from the oil and spices, the senolytics like quercetin, and the timing in a fasted state creates a metabolic storm that clears out the old to make way for the new. This is why you see results in 7 days. It is not magic, it is math, it is biology. You stop interrupting your body's own healing process, so the plan is drink it, move lightly. Wait 45 minutes before breakfast, do this for 7 days straight. And there you have it, our game-changing revelation number 1. It might seem surprisingly simple to just wait 45 minutes, but as we have explored, that silence in your digestion is where the magic happens. That is when your body rebuilds, so we have covered a lot of ground today. We started with insight number 5, the foundation of purity, cleared the way with strategy number 4, spiced things up with key number 3, built the structure with crucial secret number 2, and locked it all in with the timing of revelation number 1. Each of these is a powerful tool, but together they are a renovation kit for your body. Which of these insights connected with you the most? Was it the idea of removing zombie cells with quercetin? Or maybe the realization that your healthy olive oil needs to be consumed away from carbs? I would love to hear your thoughts. Please share them in the comments below. I read them, and I am always inspired by your dedication. If you found this journey through these health discoveries useful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others find our community. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more powerful strategies made for our fantastic group of healthy seniors. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep thriving.